Green Thumbs 101, Beginner's Gardening Hacks and Tips. Hey there, budding garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. If you've ever dreamed of cultivating your own little green paradise but don't know where to start, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're diving into the world of gardening with 10 beginner-friendly hacks and tips that will help you embark on your gardening journey with confidence. Let's get those hands in the soil and start growing. Hack 1. Choose the right plants. Start with plants that are easy to grow, like herbs, succulents, or low-maintenance flowers. This will boost your gardening confidence and keep you motivated. Hack 2. Test your soil. Test your soil's pH level to ensure it's suitable for your chosen plants. Different plants thrive in different soil conditions. Hack 3. Container gardening. If you have limited space, container gardening is your friend. Grow plants in pots or containers. It's versatile and great for small spaces. Hack 4. Sunlight matters. Understand the sunlight needs of your plants. Some thrive in full sun, while others prefer shade. Place your plants accordingly. Hack 5. Watering wisely. Water your plants consistently, but avoid overwatering. Check the soil's moisture level before watering. Hack 6. Mulching. Magic mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Apply a layer around your plants. Hack 7. Regular pruning. Prune your plants to remove dead or overgrown parts. This encourages healthy growth and prevents disease. Hack 8. Companion planting. Some plants benefit from being grown together due to pest control or nutrient sharing. Research companion planting for a thriving garden. Hack 9. Learn from mistakes. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Gardening is a learning process, and each mistake is a chance to grow and improve. Hack 10. Patience and observation. Remember, gardening takes time. Observe your plants regularly and celebrate their growth milestones. And there you have it, 10 beginner-friendly gardening hacks and tips to kickstart your journey into the world of plants. Whether you're nurturing a windowsill herb garden or transforming your backyard, these strategies will help you enjoy the joys of gardening. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow aspiring gardeners. Subscribe for more green inspiration, and until next time, happy gardening.